Hello, this is Paul Matthews, CEO of Netram LLC. We are a gold partner of Twilio, and in this video, I'm very excited to explain to you one of the products that we have developed for Twilio Flex. Our product is called AutoComplete, and this is a great benefit for contact centers that are omni-channel, that uses some form of chat, be it web chat, Facebook Messenger, SMS, or any other chat. Autocomplete is a Twilio Flex plugin and can easily be deployed by dropping into Twilio assets. Once the plugin is loaded, it provides smart chat suggestions to agents by utilizing artificial intelligence or AI. This little plugin looks at the past interaction for all agents and finds patterns and uses those patterns to provide smart suggestions. In a sense, this is quite similar to what Gmail autocomplete is, but there are main differences. The main difference is that this uses the learning of all agents, and managers can see the learned interaction and manually adjust. So if there are poor patterns that has come up, the managers can actually see those poor patterns and then change it and adjust it so that good patterns can come as agent suggestions. There are two benefits of this. The main benefit is that this increases agent productivity. Agents do not have to type the long text as response. And then this provides a consistent branding of the contact center. Because the same response is going to go out from all agents, irrespective of which agent is talking. So let's dive right in and let's do a demo of how this works. In this demo, we are using a chat interface, whereas this could be an SMS interface or a Facebook interface or a WhatsApp interface or any of the channels that Twilio support. To start with, I'm going to chat. What's your name? So I'm going to say my name is Paul Matthews. My phone number. Let's go. And now Twilio chat is being connected. This chat is currently connected to Autopilot. So I'm going to say hello. And then Autopilot sends a response. This is a simulation of a insurance company, and in this specific case, the person who's contacting is who wants to discuss about a wreck. So he says, I need to discuss about a car crash. At which point the bot or autopilot decided that this is a serious issue. I cannot let this flow through the bot, and I'm going to send that to an agent. So this is now being connected to the agent. So here we are in the agent interface, and I'm going to go online as an agent. So I can see this incoming task request as an agent. So click on this, and the agent is in chat, and as we can see, the CRM details of this particular user has already seen. So using CRM screen pop. Now the agent can type, how can I help you? So it comes, and he says, my car had an accident. So let's look at the agent interface. So at this time, we can see that there is a suggestion that's already in place. The agent can either start typing and then it provides you with the suggestion, or the agent can simply click on the smart suggestion and then hit tab, which will complete, and then hit return. That's it. So this message has now gone to the customer. So now the customer provides the details. My policy number is X45321. And then let's look at what happens from an agent perspective. So the agent says, yeah, the agent manually compared it. So let's pretend that these numbers are the same. Says, this is great. Thank you for confirming. I see that you have an active policy with us. Hit tab completes, hits a space, no, hits send, and then the message gets sent out. Yeah. So now the message is sent out. He has confirmed that he's got an account. And now the chat continues to happen. So let's say that now we go through an interaction where this was previously not known. So the person types, can I get my car prepared? So it comes to the agent. So here the suggestion was not really relevant for the agent because this is about uh, this is about getting the car repaired. So now the agent looks at it and says, yeah, this is a policy that has got only collision and not comprehensive. I am so sorry to say that your insurance does not have comprehensive coverage for getting it repaired. So it comes back to him and he says, is there anything else that you can do? And the agent says, not really at this stage. So on and so forth. And that interaction goes on. At this time, the system has learned some of the responses and then will start to offer that in the next chat. So let's try to end this chat and let's create a new chat to see if this learning has really taken effect. So we're going to end this chat for this user and then mark this task as completed. Come back here and then we will just refresh this page and then start again. So this is maybe the same user. Let's go. And then says I need help with a car crash. So again, got directly routed to the agent. We are here. The agent has accepted it. The agent sees this message. He says, how can I help you? And let's say the response is, my car met with an accident. So again, this was a different text, but it was a close enough match to the previous interaction which was accepted. Details of your policy. And it says, my policy number is X3472 and my car crashed. And let's say he says, can I get it prepared? So right away, we see this message saying, I'm sorry, your insurance does not have. So this was the previous learning based on the previous agent. Select that, hit tab, and enter. Then you can say, it's too bad. And the agent, there's really no suggestion for that. I am so sorry, cannot help you here. And let's say the agent now says, the person says, what other policies do you have? And then you can say we have life insurance and car insurance. So on and so forth. This sort of interactions goes back and forth. Now, if he says, I need help with my car crash. So here there are two suggestions. The agent can also start typing, I am so, and then you can see that the autocomplete will take that path. So if the agent says, I'm happy, then it shows you a different path. It says, I so the idea is that the agent can simply start typing and then the autocomplete will work. So let's end this chat. So that completes the agent workflow, and the main benefit is that multiple agents can now collaborate. This agent happens to be a manager as well, and here is the manager dashboard where we can see all the learnings that the system has made, and this is completely automatic, but a overwrite is possible. So we can see that the request to either hi or hello was, this is Netram, how can I help you? I'd like to get an insurance, had this response from some agents, what kind of insurance, and then these are all the learnings that corresponds to the same one. I had a car wreck yesterday, I got into an accident, car wreck, etc. They all smart suggest this response. So if the manager decides that, look, I need to change this, I'm happy to. So the manager says that, look, we need to be a bit more empathetic and say, sorry to hear about your accident, and then updates this. Going forward, all the interactions will provide this as the smart suggestion. So here there are multiple policy numbers. They all translated to thank you for confirming, so on and so forth. Right. So this is how managers have control. So the benefit is that this uses AI, and that it is possible to override AI to provide a consistent experience. I hope that this will be a big boost to your contact center, and you will gain significant efficiencies with this. Let us know at Netram if you would like to utilize this plugin. Thank you very much. Bye bye.